Admins start in the review queue, not at the promote button. The under review card is still personal until review is complete. Read the security review before making a decision. Integrity and no network checks are deterministic. The AI security review adds risk, recommendation, and summary evidence. Promote, reject, and quarantine are separate decisions. Promotion requires a reason and methodological review attestation because it affects every user. The promotion dialog makes the admin record both why the engine should be global and how the methodology was reviewed. In this tutorial, cancel instead of promoting.